My name is Desislava and I'm a professional singer and vocal coach. Today we are gonna be exploring another song from Hong Kong School Music Festival. The song we're gonna be exploring today is Everywhere I Look, Class 4, 77th Hong Kong School Music Festival edition. We're gonna be breaking the song into sections and learning them phrase by phrase. I'm gonna be singing one part of the song and then playing it on the piano for you to sing along. Please keep in mind that we are not going to be touching any vocal technique subjects at this video. The purpose of the video is for you to learn the melody, rhythm, and get to know the structure of the song. Let's get started. The song starts in moderate tempo and the message is very positive and happy, so I want you to think about smile, brightness in the sound, and very clear diction. This is our starting note. We are in F major. This morning in the merry, merry woods. Now you can sing along with the piano. Okay? The trees with laughter shook. Good. Dates in the winter will pass. Your turn. Leaning on his crook. Great. The crocus called goodbye to him. Take a good breath. And again, good breath. We're going higher. And the violet from her nook. Breathe well. Great. Now, next phrase, it's different dynamic. So far we were in mezzo forte, which means moderate loud. So you're starting in relatively loud dynamic. But this next phrase is in piano, which means quiet. And also we have these dots over the notes, which means staccato. Staccato, translated into English, it's detached notes. So quiet, detached notes. Let me just demonstrate for you. For spring is here in shoes of green. Very, very short and light notes. Make sure you don't carry away there. Don't go, for spring is here in shoes of green. Light, very light. So take a good breath and light short notes. For spring is here in shoes of green. I'll play it for you. Prepare well. High position and sing along. Ready? Okay. Next phrase, it's forte. So the first part was piano. Now it's contrasting the piano with forte, which means loud. And no more staccato. These notes are more connected. You can sing along. Take a good breath. Start quite high. Okay, and still forte. Spring is here. An octave jump, so make sure you prepare well on the low note already. Spring is here. Okay, next phrase says rallentando, which means slowing down. So we're gonna slow down the tempo in this next phrase. Spring is here. We can sing along. And the next phrase is a tempo, which means we're going back to the tempo, to the original tempo that we were before, all right? So, everywhere I look. All right, you can sing along. And then the piano plays. And again is your turn. Again mezzo forte, so relatively loud, clear diction. This morning in the merry, merry woods. Try to have kind of excitement in the voice. We talk about spring, and I really want to have this beautiful brightness in the sound. Make sure you don't go, this morning in the merry, merry woods. More openness, think about more of a smile and more face in the sound, in the upper part of the face. This morning in the merry, merry woods. Ready? Good. The trees with laughter shook. Nice. Next phrase says con espressione, which means with expression. So really try to think about that you're very much in the character here and you really want to express your enjoyment of the spring season. This is love, steal my heart from me. Breathe very fast, breath. My happy heart he took. Prepare well. So, next part, be careful about the intonation because we have a lot of alterations which can make it difficult. So I'm just going to go very slowly for you once and then I'm going to speed it up, but listen carefully to the intonation, to the pitch, okay? I will sing it for you. I did not heed but let it go. Can go a bit faster now. I'm still going to sing it, then I'm going to play it for you. I did not heed but let it go. Now you can sing along. Prepare. Good. And now fast breath again. And sung with bird and brook. Here we also have crescendo, which means gradually we're going to get louder, okay? You can sing along. Nice. Okay, take a good breath. For spring is here in shoes of green. Gradually getting louder on this phrase. For spring is here in shoes of green. Prepare well and you can sing along. Next phrase, just be careful to keep the right rhythm, as it's a very common mistake to make a dotted rhythm, which it's not existent in this phrase. Previous phrases we have it, but here it's even rhythm. Everywhere I look. You can try and sing along. Nice. Next phrase, it's quiet vocal. It's challenging as we go all the way to G, and we have to do the phrase staccato, which means that you must practice a lot staccato exercises before you sing the song. Try to really have a good support and think about light staccato notes. It's like a laughter, so make sure that there is also joy in the singing. Okay? Now you can try and sing along. Prepare well. And next phrase is again staccato. But we also have rallentando. So detached notes, and we are also slowing down the tempo. Let me demonstrate and then you can sing along. And let me play it for you. Then we have this chord in the piano. You hear it, and it's with fermata, which means that the chord is going to be held longer than it's written. It's just one beat, but because of the fermata, it's going to be longer. If you play it with the live piano, Take your time and just come in when you're ready, okay? So hear the chord. This morning in the merry, merry woods, the trees with laughter shoot. Alright, this comes again with new energy and a lot of joy, okay? Try to have this brightness and beauty in the sound. Alright, next phrase. They see not winter of the past. You can sing along. Are leaning on his crook. Great, take a good breath. The crocus call goodbye to him. Prepare. Very fast breath before the next phrase. And the violet rocker look. Great. And again, for spring is here in shoes of green. Piano, which we already said, it's quiet, and staccato, detached. Alright, prepare well because it goes really high. For spring is here in shoes of green. Ready? Next phrase, again starts very high, but it's forte and legato. Then again, forte, we have this octave jump, so make sure you breathe well when you prepare well. Spring is here, spring is here. Good. Different rhythm on everywhere I look. And we have fortissimo, which means even louder, all right? Okay. Everywhere I look. You can sing along. Ready? Good. Next phrase, the same rhythm, but we're going higher. Everywhere I look. Great. Take a good breath. It's all quiet. High notes at the end. Spring is here. Spring is here. Okay, take a good breath. Spring is here. Spring is here. Very good breath. Now, this last phrase is quite challenging. I'm going to play it on the piano to sing along just the way I showed you on one breath. But if it's difficult, I will show you also alternative way. First, try to sing the whole. Try to do it on one breath, okay? Ready? Prepare with very good breath. So, if this does not work for you, don't strain your voice, but rather take a breath before I. The effect is going to be better compared with just straining and trying to reach it. So you can take breath before the G, the highest note, and if you do, it's going to be like this. I'm going to demonstrate. You can do it both ways. Just try and see which one works for you. Let me play it for you with the breath. Prepare very well. Breathe. And it finished fortissimo, so you don't have to hold back your voice. You just go with the full force of your voice as the last phrase is fortissimo. I hope this video was helpful. Try to sing along with the piano and don't forget that warm up is very important before you start singing. Enjoy your practice!